We recently did some retrofit with our house in Cavan, and MNC Hybrid Group was our consultants who did all that for us. And I am very happy to say that from day one we started until the very end, when the whole project was finished, we had very good support from Carmel and from Mihal. My house was B2 when we, in terms of energy efficiency, when we started all this, and now it's A1, which is the highest level of energy efficiency. And we insulated the house, we put solar panels on the house, and we changed from oil burning, fossil fuel burning oil burner to heat pump, which is a greener, cleaner way of heating a house. There is a grant for the heat pump, there's a grant for insulation, and there is a grant for solar panels. And Carmel in the office, she helped us with all the grant process and all the paperwork we needed to do. They were there and they guided me through it, and it all went so smoothly. I've no hesitation in saying it will be well worth it. It was money well spent, and in terms of our house is so warm now.